Okay, so Gigi does not like to wear pants.
Ever wanted to dress like your favorite star? Us too. I'm Ruby Karp. Me and my friends try on the most outrageous celebrity looks. This is the dressing room challenge. Up first, Gigi caused a stir during Milan Fashion Week when she draped a metallic gold coat over a nude knitted bodysuit.
I think I pulled a muscle.
Well, I would wear this if I was on tour with Beyonce.
I'm a single lady.
Otherwise, nope.
This is so impractical. What is Gigi doing?
Okay, that's rude.
Somebody threw this on her as she was walking out, like the jacket, just because it was like, Gigi, you can't not wear anything again.
Also, this bag is lovely, as well as this coat. Why not wear pants with it?
I'll try.
Gigi celebrated her golden birthday in appropriate style with this glimmering mini dress.
I look like an Oscar.
She's giving you a full look. She's beautiful. Love this.
I think this dress is like really fun.
This is my favorite.
I'm so touched.
Honestly, my exact mood is buying a $25,000 dress and then changing into sweats in the middle of my birthday party.
It was $25K.
Gigi stepped through Rihanna's garden of earthly delights in this olive cutout lingerie set. And since I don't want my nipples to hang out, I'm setting this one out.
Do I look like Gigi?
She's giving you trans fantasy that Victoria's Secret didn't know you could give.
That is amazing.
Everything is just a little too rated R.
I love Rihanna, I love Fenty. This looks amazing.
Ooh, there goes my flower. That's not symbolism for anything.
Good to know.
Gigi sported a double-breasted blazer with fur-trimmed heels to celebrate the launch of her Maybelline collection in NYC.
I feel like these shoes are a Carrie Bradshaw moment.
I'm literally not wearing pants.
Okay, so Gigi does not like to wear pants.
I know it.
I don't really know anything about fashion, but this feels like fashion to me.
Honestly, the world is your runway.
Business up top, party on the bottom.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching The Dressing Room. For more videos like this, please subscribe to 17's YouTube channel.
I'm feeling some sort of Holy Spirit breeze somewhere that it should not be.